Marketing is all around us, from products at shopping malls to ads on TV and social media. According to Philip Kotler, an American marketing author, consultant, and professor, marketing is the process by which companies engage customers, build strong customer relationships, and create customer value in order to capture value from customers in return. To understand the marketplace, marketers must distinguish between customer needs, wants, and demands. Needs are states of felt deprivation, including basic physical needs like food and safety, social needs for belonging, and individual needs for self-expression. Wants are shaped by culture and personality, described in terms of objects that satisfy needs. Demands are wants backed by buying power. Companies make market offerings, which are combinations of products, services, information, or experiences offered to satisfy needs or wants. These offerings can include persons, places, organizations, information, and ideas. The goal is to provide benefits and satisfaction to the customer. A common mistake many companies make is marketing myopia. This occurs when they focus only on existing wants and lose sight of underlying consumer needs. They pay more attention to specific products than to the benefits and experiences these products provide. By understanding customer needs and avoiding marketing myopia, companies can build strong relationships and create lasting value.